annual function by our little prince Adavan Jnanaprakash from grade 1. I request Adavan Jnanaprakash to come forward for the welcome address deliverance.
Very warm and pleasant evening to one and a pleasant year to celebrate the annual function of Parkal Academy. I am extremely honored to have the chance to address you in this prestigious moment when our school is celebrating 18th Carnival today. On the auspicious occasion, it's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Mr. K. Nallaswamy, St. Group of Company, our correspondent, Mr. Pratha ma'am and Mrs. Deepa ma'am, our loving teachers, caring Anima, energetic parent, grandparent, and all the blooming and dazzling hooties of Parkal Academy. Once again, I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you and enjoy the 18th Carnival. Thank you.
Thank you, Adavan.